Welcome to Catamaran Cocktails.
Alright. So, Ryan, what are we making tonight?
Today we're going to be making the Archangel Cocktail.
This is a fairly recent cocktail. It was created in 2006 by two bartenders that worked at PDT. That is Please Don't Tell. It's a speakeasy bar that became quite famous in New York City.
We've been to PDT a few times. Very, very good cocktails. It's a little hidden, so you have to figure out how to find it.
I don't think we're supposed to tell, but should we tell?
No, we're not supposed to.
I'll tell.
Okay.
I don't care. You have to go to a hot dog little joint through a telephone booth.
It's a very small bar.
Yeah, you can't make reservations, so if you're gonna go, just plan on putting your name and waiting. But that's one of many great speakeasies in New York. I mean, you can just go to a new place every night for weeks. So, lots of talent.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
All right, so let's get started. Ingredients for the Archangel are gin, Aperol, and you're also going to need a cucumber. Take your cucumber and cut 2 slices that are about a ½ inch thick and throw them into your glass. You're going to take your muddler and press down just slightly. You don't want to smush them into a pulp, but you want to just release some of the cucumber flavor. Then next you're going to fill it up with some large ice cubes. And next you're going to do 2 1/4 ounces of gin. Finally is 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol. It's tricky to stir with these cucumbers in there. I'm going to throw in a nice good wedge of cucumber and then pour it. Oh, that looks good. There you have it, the Archangel Cocktail. All right, Lauren, do you want to give it a try?
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I love it.
Cucumber and gin is really good.
So good. You know what I love this? Is a Negroni lover.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
This is really good.
If you like Negronis, this is a very herbally version of a Negroni.
It reminds me of a video we did way
The
back
Vine
in,
Grony.
The Vine Grony way back in the beginning. This is slightly
Yes.
reminiscent of that. We didn't use Aperol for that, did we?
We didn't. The request for this drink came from Lauren's brother, John, who wanted a cucumber drink.
More cucumber drinks. Here you go, John. Love you. All right, guys. Thanks for sticking with us. Cheers to you, as always. Stay cool, everybody. It's hot out there.
What are we, from like the 90s and on the radio or something?
Good idea.
All right, should we kill it?
Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. So you have to go to, it's this kind of like little hamburger joint. You go to the hamburger joint and then you have to go through a telephone booth to get.
Hot dog.
Oh, what did I say?
Hamburger.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a hamburger joint. You go through
Hot
the
dog.
hot.
Oh no, it's raining.
It's just a tiny sprinkle.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Meow. Ew, gross. You and your fancy shirt.